goes the last pull, probably before the car goes into the shop. I'll do another, when I get the car back, I'll be doing another pull like that. Okay guys, doing a quick video update of my car. It's still in the shop. It went from fixing why it's burning oil, which was a bad valve, to rebuilding the whole motor, and now doing the turbo kit at the same time. These are the parts that I'm keeping. Treadstone Down pipe, Tr8 intercooler, Autoboost Manifold, the Treadstone oil, the lines for it, the drain and feed, and the turbo. It's a 57 trim. The only problem I have is it being a 5-bolt and my downpipe's a 4-bolt. So that's the only problem we got fixed. So I don't know if we're going to change the turbo or if we're just going to cut the flange off over here and weld on the 5-bolt. And then there's always the option of doing a custom 3-inch downpipe with open dump. That's what I would like. But that's it. Car is still in the process of being fixed. Right now we're just waiting on some custom pistons. But the rods are in and the meth kit that I'll be using. I'll post pictures also after this video. Alright, go ahead and subscribe guys. 400 wheel horsepower spec is in the process.